Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Miro Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Miro Cloud, start by visiting the official Miro website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your email address and password. Confirm your email by checking for a verification email from Miro. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the pricing section to view available plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you have a discount code, enter it during the checkout process. Proceed to the payments section by clicking on the Continue button. Select your preferred payment method from the options provided. Enter your billing details accurately for a smooth transaction. Review your order summary before confirming the purchase. Click on the Purchase or Start Your Trial button to finalize your investment. After the transaction is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email. Log back into your Miro account after a few minutes to access your workspace. Explore the features available in your selected plan. Start creating and collaborating with your team using Miro's tools. Utilize the resources and tutorials provided by Miro for an optimal experience. Engage with the community for tips and best practices. Regularly check for updates to enhance your Miro experience. Now you are ready to make the most of your investment in Miro Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.